We had some general ideas of where we thought the gaps were in our workforce, specifically within our operations group and our manufacturing division, employees building the product. We looked at quality, we looked at errors, we looked at measurements. So we had some general sense of where we thought the need would be. But as we worked together with them, they also brought ideas from what they've seen at other companies, some best practices, so we were able to really work together and customize it for price as well. We had the general idea, but we really worked together closely every step of the way.
Price Industries basically is HVAC, heating, ventilation, air conditioning manufacturer. We build components all the way through, from fans right through the ductwork to the registers and grills diffusers at the end. At Price, it's really important for oral communication. A lot of the times our products are engineered right before we have to build them. So to be able to manufacture them and understand the processes and work with the engineering team and communicate back and forth on specs, quality, the build of the units themselves. It's really important for them to give feedback to the engineering group so they can modify the designs and make them more manufacturable. For document use, there's more analytical requirements, so they need to understand step-by-step procedures on how to manufacture products. It's different than just normal reading because there is references from one point of a drawing to another point of a drawing where they need to understand the correlation so that they know what to build or what to do for their processes.
Essentially how it works, it's a 10-week program. It's once per week with the trainer here on site through Workplace Education Manitoba. We have the training on company time, so we allow the employees to leave their workstations and attend this training and support them to do it. They cover all kinds of English skills training such as oral communications, document use, reading, writing, writing emails, things that they would do in their day-to-day jobs. And that's really essential with this training is that we sat down and we really developed the content with the trainer and WEM to make sure that the documents that they're using are price documents and the forms that they're using as examples in the training are our own forms. So it's very relevant and they can take it away and apply it right away to their jobs.
A good example of a misunderstanding in communication is parts that can be made wrong. This can involve many hours, up to 40 hours of work, just because of a simple misunderstanding. It's extremely important in our line of work that the thoughts or ideas that you have are conveyed correctly.
I used to be a brake operator at Terminal Department at EH Price. I took the course because it builds me more confidence. In the group, we did quite a bit. Like we do document reading, document presentation, and oral and verbal communication. It really helps me to build my confidence because as a QA, you need that to, when you gathered your data, you have to make a presentation through Excel and whatever. So that really helps me a lot, building my confidence, my writing skills and everything.
I really don't think we can do it alone. I think we need the government. They need us. We need to work together. There is a skill shortage. We're having a real tough time recruiting for some skilled trades types of employees, and I think there's lots of programs out there to help them develop those skills that as a company independently we're not able to do all of that, and nor do we have the resources available. So I think that those partnerships are absolutely essential for everyone's sake.